Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to the ultimate audio experience on wheels. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best audio head units for your car. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a podcast aficionado, or simply seeking to elevate your driving ambience, these head units promise to redefine your journey. From immersive sound quality to seamless connectivity, we've handpicked the finest options just for you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the realm of automotive audio excellence. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Boss Audio Systems BCP62 Car Stereo, the ultimate companion for your vehicle's audio needs. Featuring Apple CarPlay integration, this double DIN unit grants seamless access to your iPhone's functionalities via Siri voice controls on its 6.2-inch capacitive touchscreen. Enjoy hands-free calls, navigate through maps, stream music from various apps like Spotify and Pandora, and delve into your favorite podcasts and audiobooks effortlessly. With multiple inputs including USB, microSD, AV, and AUX, alongside front and rear camera compatibility, this unit ensures versatility and connectivity. The steering wheel interface, when paired with the recommended Metra ASWC1 module, enhances accessibility to existing controls. Utilize the preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer connections, delivering a powerful audio experience. Backed by a robust 3-year Platinum online dealer warranty, exclusively available through Amazon.com, this head unit guarantees peace of mind. For the best audio head unit for your car, opt for the Boss Audio Systems BCP62 Car Stereo, and elevate your driving experience to new heights. Number 2. Pyle Single DIN Head Unit Receiver, the ultimate solution for upgrading your car's audio system. With its vibrant 7-inch touchscreen monitor, watching videos and navigating your music library becomes a breeze. Worried about safety? This unit comes with a rear camera for added protection and convenience. But that's not all. Thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone and answer calls hands-free, ensuring your focus stays on the road. Compatible with a range of smart devices including iPhones, Android phones, tablets, and more, this head unit offers versatility like no other. Plus, with 320 watts of power, you'll experience crystal clear audio every time. Whether you prefer FM radio, CDs, or DVDs, this receiver has you covered. And with multiple connection options including front panel AUX input and rear panel RCA output connectors, linking up your multimedia devices is a breeze. Elevate your driving experience with the Pyle Single DIN Head Unit Receiver, the best audio head unit for your car. Number 3. PLZ 7-inch wireless double-DIN car stereo Apple CarPlay radio screen, the epitome of convenience and safety on the road. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, effortlessly connect your phone upon starting the car. Utilize GPS navigation apps, summon Siri or Google Assistant, and stream your favorite playlists, all while keeping your focus where it matters, on the road. Thanks to its upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 and dual mic system, enjoy crystal clear hands-free calling and audio streaming with reduced static noise. Dive into a world of unparalleled sound quality with its Hi-Fi DSP, 4.2 channel output, and 240W power, complemented by 2 subwoofer outputs for breathtaking bass. Featuring mirror link functionality and support for front and rear view cameras, this unit ensures both entertainment and safety are at the forefront of your driving experience. Installation is a breeze with the included rear camera and comprehensive instructions. Elevate your car audio experience with the PLZ 7-inch wireless double-DIN car stereo, the best audio head unit for your car. Number 4. Stoybring Upgrade Wireless Double-DIN Car Stereo, your ultimate companion for an unparalleled driving experience. With seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration, this unit ensures safe access to your phone's features while on the road. Enjoy superior sound quality with 4.2-channel output and customizable tone controls, delivering breathtaking bass and crystal-clear audio. The latest Bluetooth technology enables stable music streaming and calls, while the ultra-clear microphone ensures precise voice commands without distractions. Mirror Link functionality allows screen mirroring from both iOS and Android devices, coupled with a 7-inch HD touchscreen and convenient panel buttons for effortless control. Enhance safety with front and rear camera support, offering HD night vision for parking ease in any condition. Packed with features like preamp outputs, steering wheel controls, and a 10-band EQ, this car stereo is the epitome of versatility. Make driving a pleasure with the Stoybring Upgrade Wireless Doubled-In Car Stereo, the best audio head unit for car enthusiasts. Number 5. Hoxie Wireless CarPlay Touchscreen with 2.5K Dash Cam, a game-changer in car audio head units. Seamlessly integrating wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this plug-and-play dual-DIN stereo boasts cutting-edge voice control technology, granting you access to navigation, calls, music, and more through Siri or Google Assistant. Enhanced with a front 2.5K camera and 1080p waterproof backup camera, it ensures comprehensive recording of your driving process, simplifying safety and parking maneuvers. With phone mirror link capabilities, for audio output options, and a built-in collision sensor function, your driving experience reaches new heights of convenience and security. The Hoxie unit also features a parking monitor function and easy installation, fitting various car models without console disassembly. Additionally, its real-time GPS navigation, online maps, and lifetime technical support ensure you stay on track and supported on the road. For unparalleled audio head unit performance, look no further than the Hoxie Wireless CarPlay touchscreen. In conclusion, selecting the best audio head unit for your car is a crucial decision that can significantly enhance your driving experience. Whether you prioritize advanced features, pristine sound quality, or seamless connectivity, there's a perfect option out there for you. Remember to consider factors like compatibility, functionality, and budget to make an informed choice. With the right audio head unit, you can transform your car into a mobile entertainment hub. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts for more updates and informative content. Drive safe and enjoy your music journey.